Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Instagram. Good evening, everyone. How are you doing today? If you're new here, let me tell you about what are we going to talk about. We're going to talk about quarter four checklist for your business. Because guess what? We are already in October, and October is officially, officially end of the year or quarter four. So we're almost there for this next year. So you want to make sure you have done what you have to do for your business and also in your personal life. However, let's see. Let's get started. If you are new here and you did not meet me yet, hello. My name is Noor Al Masri. I am a tax and accounting professional. I help business owner increase their cash flow to create the impact they are looking for with their business in their life and their family life and on their client's life. So, hello, let's get started. So, what do you need to have in quarter four? A lot of you guys like might say, "Oh, okay, we're end of the year. We cannot reach our goal anymore. We cannot do anything. So let's just take it easy, ease into next year." Well, but winners, those of you who are winners, they do not do that. What do? You check where you are right now. Where are you at in your business? What did you not achieve yet? What are you planning to do? What did you plan to do, but you still didn't do it? And evaluate if you really still have time to do it or not. So you would do all of this. And for your business, here's the checklist. First, you want to check your bookkeeping. It's a great time to evaluate your bookkeeping. And now, what I mean with bookkeeping, a real professional bookkeeping, it starts with adjust like what categorize your payments and see what it is you are paying on, what each expenses and income is, and where should you put them in your chart of accounts, and then producing the financial statements. And there is a good bookkeeping, there is not good bookkeeping. So if you are using your Excel sheet, that's not bookkeeping. If you are thinking you get all the information in your bank statement, that's not bookkeeping. All of these are great source of information. Those are your source to do the bookkeeping. So if you haven't been doing your bookkeeping, it's a good time to start. Now, this is number one. Number two, your record keeping, and this is different. Your record keeping, you want to see like you have your invoices, your receipt, everything that you have to do ready to go, and it's going to be easy if your accountant asks you about it. So you want to have that. You want to, as I said, like evaluate your goals and see where are you at, and check if you can achieve this goal still and you still want to. How can you achieve it? Think outside of the box and be a winner and be determined to achieve your goal. If the goal is not what you want to achieve anymore, see what else you want to achieve in order to end this year big. The year end is a great opportunity for those of you who are winners to grow, to acquire more clients, to get paid sooner, because people are on the, everyone wants to spend now, but they either spend it on the right thing with you or spend it with someone else. Because if you're doing B2B, business to business, most businesses are looking for tax deduction. So they are ready to acquire new services they were not ready before, especially if they're doing tax planning. They know they should invest in their business, so they will be ready to purchase from you if you are doing business to business. Now, even in a personal level, a lot of people want to give gifts. And you can be creative on how can you package your service based on your clientele needs. So this is the time to think about that. How can you end this year? And what offers do you have to have your client? You don't have to do discounts, but you have to package your services or your products the correct way, so you can attract or acquire new donors and new, we're not talking nonprofits here, new clients and new customers. So this is a great opportunity to end the year strong, so you can start the next year strong, even stronger, because it's their opportunity. Not a lot of people do care about what happens at the end of the year, because they feel, oh, okay, we want to take vacation, we want to spend time with family, and nothing wrong with spending time with family and having celebrating the holiday. Of course, do that, but make sure don't neglect your business during that time. This is very important to reach your goal. Another thing you want to do is budget. Check your budget first for what have you been doing. And then after that, budget for next year. What do you want to do next year? That's going to help you plan your Q4 correctly, because what you want to achieve is something you might want to set the ground for this year. So planning for next year is going to help you big time. What do you want to do differently? What works with you this year you want to replicate on or capitalize on for next year? This is the perfect time to do that. And if you don't do that right now, you're going to be busy next year thinking about previous year and losing yet another year. So make sure you do all the planning, all the work right now. One more thing, and I encourage every one of you to look into, is tax planning. Tax planning is something that can be done now because you want to have time to implement. So do it from now. Start talking to professionals who can help you doing tax planning. We do tax planning. Like, this is something I love to do because I love to save my clients money. I want you to keep your money with you. I don't want you to just pay taxes that are unnecessary to be paid, because the tax law is written for you, not against you. Only those who love to play the victim think the tax planning against them. It is written for business owners. It is written so you can actually see how can you take advantage of the tax law to save in taxes big and to really build your empire. I don't want you to just look under your feet. Think big and see what can you do in order to build the foundation for your empire. If you want to have control on your money, if you don't want to just pay in taxes and then be angry why government is not doing this, bringing this money on healthcare, why not government supporting this, why are we supporting war, you should stop complaining now. Please stop complaining and take control of your money and start doing tax planning, saving taxes, so you can gain control over your money at least, and tell other people how can they take control so they can actually control what cause they want to support, what do they want to invest in, rather than staying and complaining about what's going on. Whatever it is that you don't agree with. It can be something local, it can be something international. I don't care. I'm not here to give you my opinion. I'm here to tell you what you can do from my standpoint as tax professional in order for you to save in taxes and have control over your money. So that's a really simple checklist, but it does require a lot of work. Again, it is make sure you're doing your bookkeeping, record keeping, make sure you have all your records, make sure you evaluate your goal for the year, make sure you're creating the plan in order to reach your goal for Q4, create the plan for next year so you can end the year strong. Where are you setting the stage for next year? Make sure you budget for next year, budget for the Q4, and make sure you do tax planning so you can save in taxes. Hi, fine. So that's it. If you need help, feel free to reach out to me at Noura noorasbooks.com/contact, noorasbooks.com/contact. You can find the link in the description. You can also follow me, subscribe if you are on YouTube for more information. I can help you do any of these work. I can help you do the bookkeeping, tax planning, anything that you need that is tax and accounting related, so you can be a winner in the year. Winning. Guys, I can't wait to see you winning. So share with me comments under this video. What are you going to do from these strategies? Are you going to do some of them, all of them? What are you excited for? I would love to hear from you. Right? This was Noora Al Masri from Noora's Books. I'll see you later.